everybody. Today I'm going to make something really delicious for lunch. It's going to be a spaghetti aglio olio. Basically, it's garlic, good extra virgin olive oil, a nice pasta, and parsley. That's it. You don't need to do anything fancy. It's a 1, 2, 3 thing. I have the pasta in the water already, so we don't have to waste time. And I want to show you guys something. I chopped this garlic, just rough chopped, really, so you have some chunks to it, so you can control this in the oil so it doesn't burn. It's much better. And if you have any garlic with those little stems inside, so like this, just pull them out. Pull them out and get rid of them. You can still use this part you discard. And once again, the garlic, if you have one of those stems, pull it out, use this side, and discard that one. So you wind up with something nice like this. So we're going to go in right now and put the oil on the heat. It's on medium right now. This is about 3 nice big cloves of garlic. That's perfect for one person. So we're going to go right in. And we're going to toast this nicely. We just want the garlic to brown and add its flavor. That's it. And then we're going to pull it off to the side until the pasta's ready. I used spaghettini, okay? This is a thin spaghetti. It's in between, say, a capellini and a regular spaghetti. So this is real nice. It's going to cook up maybe in about 5 minutes or so. I already have it in, so it probably needs about 2 more minutes. So while the pasta's cooking, we can work on the garlic. Now, there's no reason to add white wine and stuff like that. Keep the white wine in a wine glass and put it on the side of your dish when you're ready to eat your spaghetti aglio olio. But not now when we're cooking. There's no need for it. Any good Italian chef or anyone that's worked with an Italian chef or worked in Italy cooking pasta is going to tell you that you use the pasta water. You save the pasta water. That's what you do. Here in America, we dump it right down the sink. It's a big no-no in an Italian kitchen. So we're going to use the pasta water to create this emulsion with the olive oil, and that's it. We're going to add ourselves a little cheese. You can add pepper flakes. I'm going to add, which I like better, this chili pepper from Calabria, real nice. I'm going to add a little bit in lieu of the pepper flakes, and we're going to go from there. So now you can see this. This is what I'm talking about, how you can control it with the garlic. The garlic is now nice and golden brown. You can see them. They're golden brown. I know now I can take this off the heat and it's good. The pasta itself, I'm going to check. This pasta was in about, maybe 3 minutes before we started, so it should be ready. I'm going to give it a little, I can tell by just the feel of it. We're going to dump this now, and I'm going to save a little bit of the pasta water and show you how to do this and come right back. So just hold on. This is going in the sink. I'm saving a little bit of the water. The water is in here. You can turn the heat off on that. This has to go on, has to get hot. If the oil is not hot, it's hard to create an emulsion between the water and the pasta. The starch in the water is what's going to help. Now we're going to add our pasta. Now we're going to add a little bit of that reserved pasta water. A little bit. The rest goes in there, and we're going to toss. Okay? We're going to create an emulsion in the pan. At this point, we can add the chopped parsley, bring it all in there. I'm going to add a little bit of the Parmesan just to get it going. And I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of the red pepper. This is the good stuff. Right in. So that goes in. That goes back. We're creating a nice emulsion. You can see here what we have. Can you see that? Does that look delicious? Don't you want to eat that? Of course you do. So now, we're going to toss. 1, 2, 3. Very simple. And swirl and toss. Let it come to a rapid heat again. I'm going to add a little more of the Parmesan. We're going to give it a little bit of a stir just to get it all together. This creates a nice emulsion in the pan. You don't need white wine or anything like that. Now you can see here what we have. It all came together. Can you see that nice? It all came together. So the next step is very simple. Give it a few tosses. Use a nice pasta bowl. If you're going to do this, do something special, make a spaghetti aglio, you want to impress your friends. One thing is cooking it perfectly. Another thing is serving it in a nice pasta bowl rather than a regular bowl in your kitchen. This I got in Italy a long time ago. You can order these online. You can go to in many stores. They sell just like this. You don't need to go to Italy to go get these. But I'm just saying, it adds to the whole ambiance of the thing. So now, the pasta bowl goes down. We'll put it here so you guys can kind of see. We're going to give this a toss one more time. We're going to use a fork, and we're going to twirl this into the bowl. As you can see, I'm going to go this way. Everything is in, real nice. A little more cheese. A tad bit of pepperoncino. Like that. We have ourselves a parsley garnish, and presto, your lunch is served, guys. Spaghettini Aglio, Franco style. Ciao for now.